welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie and I'm from sunny Southern California. And on this channel you can expect to find all things gardening, from learning how to grow your own vegetables from seed, to making a succulent assortment, to maybe even the art of bonsai. So through my step-to-step, easy-to-follow tutorials, anybody can learn how to love gardening and be really good at it. So if you are looking forward to all the things that I have planned ahead, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or any requests for future videos, please leave a comment down below. Thank you. See you next time. Bye!